Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to download and install Sublime Text in our laptop. So first of all, we can type on Google Sublime Text 3 download. Next, here you can see official website. Just click here. Now let's download. So I'm using Windows 64-bit. Now click here and it will start downloading. Here you can see it will take just few seconds. So now here you can see download is complete. Now click here to open the file. After that, install it. Next, click here finish. Now let's go to start Windows, and after that we can search for Sublime Text. So here you can see it is installed. Now here we can type any language, for example HTML, PHP and various other languages. So thank you for watching video.